Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good to see the clouds and a little bit of shade, but let's hope the sun continues for a little while longer, eh? Today's very quick video. I just wanted to try out the zoom function on the Mini 2. So there's a crane on the construction site this afternoon, and obviously I don't want to get anywhere near that, and really I don't want anyone to know that I'm actually up there in the sky, so it won't cause any concern. So I'm going to be way beyond the distance that I'm legally required to stay away from them. I'm going to be way past that, so I'm going to use the zoom function to enable me to look as though I'm closer than I actually am. So it's the first time I've used this really, so I'm keen to see how it performs. So stay tuned. As always, I hope you enjoy, and bye for now.